Gran Melia, a luxury hotel with excellent service, always provides a great experience. This is our second wedding anniversary staycation at Gran Melia Hotel Jakarta. We always get extraordinary surprises with romantic room decorations and beautiful cakes. It's always a great experience. Best value for money 5-star hotel you will ever get. My stay at Gran Melia was great. I booked a grand premium room but they upgraded it to junior suite cause my room availability is full. Only smoking room is, so they generously upgraded my room. Thank you Gran Melia. The room is spacey with a welcome snacks. I requested a tent for my boy and they provided it. The view is great too, but what I like the most is their hospitality to us. I stayed another 5-star hotel before, but they never knock on my door and asking if there is anything I need without me asking for it. The priority check-in for red level customer is nice too, make you feel special, lol. And you also got tea time, or snack time, which is great. The food is delicious. Definitely gonna come back and stay here again. Thank you Gran Melia. Awesome stay, everything was very good. Nice view of the city. Would love to stay again. Good deal for triplet. Gran Melia was such my perfect choice. I stay in premium room with my daughters and spent one night staycation. And thank you for the hospitality. Good. 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 Nice and central location. Quiet and calm atmosphere. Nice and central location. Quiet and calm atmosphere. Best hotel experience in Indonesia. I asked for some simple romantic gestures for our wedding anniversary, and they went out of their way. They made a small heart M-shaped anniversary cake for us. They put rose petals on our bed and sprinkled petals on our bubble bath. How classy and considerate. They are the best. Best service Pilihan and staff sangat baik. Dairy security, receptionist, hingga housekeeping, semua super friendly. Saya dapat free upgrade room. Surprise. Utek mineral pun tidak kena charge tambahan, dita urin mineral lebih. Early check-in, late check-out. Gak ribet. Bersih, wangi seluruh ruangan. Sip BGT. Pertama kali kasini, barankana kembali.